Hello everyone! Have you seen beautiful Instagram story highlight covers on other users' profiles and wondered how to make them yourself? If you'd like to create a stylish and modern design for your story highlights, follow along with this video. First, open the Play Store if you're using Android, or the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Search for an app called Highlight Cover Maker. Once you find it, download and install the app. After installing, go ahead and open the app. Right after launching, you'll see a selection of ready-made designs. Most of them are themed around popular cities, travel, fashion, food, and other common activities. These are among the most searched topics, so you'll find a wide variety to choose from. At the top of the screen, you can select a category to help narrow down the type of design you're looking for. You can also browse trending designs or look at the latest options. Some designs are completely free to use, while others may require a one-time payment or subscription. I'll select one of the free options, just to show you how it works. Once you download a design, a customization window will open. Here you can edit the background, change the frame, add stickers, or write text over your cover image. All these options are displayed at the bottom of the screen. I'll demonstrate with one simple example, but feel free to explore and create a design that best suits your style or Instagram theme. When you're happy with the design and personalization, tap the Save button located in the upper right corner. Your new highlight cover will be saved automatically to your phone's gallery. Now let me show you how to apply that design as a highlight cover on Instagram. Go to your Instagram profile and tap on one of your story highlights. Next, tap on More and then select Edit Highlight. From there, tap on Edit Cover. Select the new design you just created from your gallery and tap Done to confirm your choice, and that's it. After a moment, your new custom cover will be uploaded and set as the highlight image. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Instagram tips and tricks.